Today we discuss second lecture regarding Kisasang Death Ordinance. In which today we discuss other herds, that is 337L. Other herds, whoever causes hurt not mentioned herein before, which endangers life or which causes the sufferer to remain in severe body pain for 20 days or more, or renders him unable to follow his ordinary pursuit for 20 days. All those injuries which are not mentioned here and before, means 337 from A to K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, they're not mentioned here in before. From A to K, they are labeled as other herds 337L 1 and L2, which endangers life. Injuries inflicted on the vital part of the body, such as head, chest, which may prove fatal in the absence of medical aid or surgical aid. Patient remain in severe body pain for 20 days or more. Injury that causes cerebral hemorrhage. Patient remains in coma for 20 days. Normally fall in this type of hurt, labeled as other hurt 337L1, and unable to follow his ordinary pursuit for 20 days. This ordinary pursuit is different from patient to patient. When there is a fracture of a left hand of a manager of a mart, cannot enable him to pursue his ordinary pursuit of life. But same fracture in a lever enable him to pursue his ordinary pursuit. Punishment, daman, tazir, police may arrest without warrant, not bailable, but compoundable. Other herds, 337L2, hurt not covered by subsection 1 shall be dealt as 337L2, and which is not as grave as 337L1, like endangering life, bodily pain for 20 days or more, are unable to follow the ordinary pursuit of life. In this category, the injuries are bruise, is labeled as 337L2, because if bruise over the limbs does not fall in the definition of Gair Jaifa Damya, which reads as the hurt that causes rupture of skin with bleeding. In bruise, the skin is intact. The bleeding occurs subcutaneously. So strictly, this bruise does not fall in the Gair Jaifa Damya. Second example is the dislocation of humerus. The Gerjaifa Hashma is fracture of bone without displacement, and Gerjaifa Munakala is fracture of bone with displacement. Here there is no fracture. In dislocation of the humerus, there is no fracture. So this type of injury also fall in 337L2. Being a medical student, the humerus is the bone which easily dislocated from the socket inferiorly because the rotator cuff supports joint all over except inferiorly where humerus is commonly dislocated. Punishment is daman or tazir or both. Shall not arrest without warrant. Someone may be served at the first instant. Is a bailable offence or compoundable. Tazir 7 years is not fixed. This is a legal language written. Tazir which may extend up to 7 years. It depends upon the judge whether he gave punishment of imprisonment for 1 year, 2 year, up to 7 years. And hurt not liable to qisas. When offender is minor, 337M. When offender is insane. When offender has caused itlaf use of a physically imperfect organ of the victim and the convict does not suffer from similar physical imperfection of such organ. When the offender's organ liable to qisas is missing. When offender has caused itlaf use of a physically imperfect organ of the victim and the convict does not suffer from similar physical imperfection of such organ. For example, the offender amputates the right ear of victim, the half of which was already missing. If right ear of offender is perfect, he shall not be liable for qisas. Second example, if offender amputated the right ear of the victim, which was physically perfect, but without power of hearing, physiologically not perfect, that is deafness, offender is liable for qisas because the organ is physically perfect. Last one, when the offender organ liable to qisas is missing. For example, if offender amputates the right ear of victim and offender's right ear already amputated, he is not liable for qisas. In my previous lecture, I told you the three of the injuries in which first punishment awarded is qisas. Those injuries are itlaf uz, itlaf salahit uz, and shajae mozia. First punishment for these three injuries is qisas. When qisas is not executable, then arsh, daman and tazir. Why qisas is not executable? The examples are when the offender is minor, when the offender is insane, when offender's organ liable to qisas is missing, or offender causes itlaf use of physically imperfect organ of the victim. Qisas for hurt shall not be enforced. When offender dies before execution of qisas. When the offender's organ liable for qisas is lost before the execution of qisas. When the victim waives the qisas or compounds the offense with badl sulh. When the right of qisas devolves on the person who cannot claim qisas against the offender. These are four circumstances in which qisas for hurt shall not be enforced. 337N. Wali in case of hurt. 337O. Wali is the person who claims qisas. Wali may be victim if victim is minor or insane, then father or grandfather, how high soever, even great grandfather like that. Or wali may be heirs of victim in case when the victim dies before execution of qisas. Or wali may be government in the absence of victim or heirs of victim. Execution of qisas for hurt. 337P. Qisas is executed at public place. A lesson for the offenders are those who have intention to commit crime. This is the main object of the retributive type of punishment. The punishment may be given at a public place by authorized medical officer. Medical officer examine the offender and take due care so as to ensure that the execution of qisas does not cause death of the offender or exceed the hurt caused by him to the victim. Because qisas literally means causing of similar hurt, does not exceed or does not cause death. So presence of medical officer so important. In the presence of wali, already mentioned, wali may be victim, heirs of victim. In absence of both, then government. If wali or his representative is not present after having been informed properly, then the officer authorized by the court in this behalf shall give permission for execution of qisas. When the offender is pregnant woman, when convict is pregnant woman, the execution of qisas is postponed up to the period of 2 years after birth of child. She may be released on bail or sentenced to simple imprisonment. Arsh for single organ. 337Q. The explanation of single organs according to Qisas in Diyat ordinance, nose and tongue. Is causing hurt of these organs, causing of hurt, the arsh is equivalent to value of Diyat. Arsh for pair organs. 337R. The pair organs in Qisas and Diyat ordinance are eyes, lips, hands, feet, breast. The arsh is given is one half of the Diyat value. Arsh for organs in quadruplicate. organs which are 4 in number. The only organ in the body 4 in number is eyelids, 337S. The explanation: if itlaf of one such organ, one eyelid, 1/4 of the diyat. If itlaf or cutting of two of such organs, 1/2 of diyat. If three of such organ, 3/4 of diyat. If all four organs, then full diyat is given. Section Arsh for finger, section 337T. Itlaf of a finger of hand or foot, 1/10 of diyat. This is from the proximal interphalangeal joint. Itlaf of a joint of a finger, then 1/13 of diyat. From middle interphalangeal joint, distal interphalangeal joint, the value of arsh is the 1/13. If the joint of a thumb is cut, then the value of arsh is 1/20 of diyat. 1/20 of the diyat value. Arsh for teeth. Itlaf a tooth. A portion of tooth outside the gum, if broken, is termed as itlaf a tooth. One tooth other than milk tooth, the value of arsh is 1/20. 20 or more teeth, value of arsh is full diyat, is equal to full diyat. Milk tooth, itlaf of a milk tooth, 1/20 of diyat, provided that if such hurt impedes the growth of new tooth, then its value is 1/20 of diyat. Otherwise, itlaf of a milk tooth is treated, punished under daman or tazir 1 year. Arsh for hair, 337V. Whoever uproots all hairs of head, beard, mustaches, eyebrows, eyelashes, the value of arsh is equal to value of diyat plus tazir 3 years. For example, one eyebrow, 1/2 of the diyat, because eyebrow they are the paired organ in the body. One eyelash is 1/4 of diyat, because eyelashes they are 4 in number. Hair of any part of the body of victim are forcefully removed by any process not covered by subsection 1 is liable for daman, tazir 1 year. Subsection 1 reads as whoever uproots. Without uprooting means trimming, cutting the hair, they are liable for daman, tazir 1 year. Merger of arsh. When an accused more than one hurt shall be liable to arsh specified for each hurt separately, provided that where an accused is liable to arsh for causing hurt of such organ and not for arsh for causing hurt to any part of such organ. For example, amputation of fingers. Then hand, arsh for the hand is given. When wounds join together and form a single wound, arsh for one wound is given. When such hurt causes death of a person, arsh is merged into diyat. This is called merger of arsh. This is section is 337W. Value of daman. Payment of arsh 337X. The payment of arsh is given in lump sum or installment for the period of 3 years from date of final judgment. Where convict fails to pay, he should kept in jail. Where convict dies before payment of arsh, the arsh payment is recovered from his estate, from his property. Value of daman 337Y is determined by the court, as we discussed earlier, in view keeping expenses incurred on the treatment of victim, loss or disability caused in the functioning or power of any organ, or compensation for the anguish suffered by the victim. In non-payment of the daman, the offender convict may kept in jail. 337Z. Disbursement of arsh or daman. A disbursement of arsh is payable to the victim or payable to the heirs of victim according to their respective shares in inheritance. Section 337 from A to Z. Section 337 start from just Shaja and punishment is 337A. Jur 337B. Jur Jaifa 337C. Punishment of Jur Jaifa 337D. Jur Gair Jaifa 337E. Punishment of Jur Gair Jaifa 337F. 337G is a hurt by negligent driving. 337H is hurt by negligent act. 337I hurt by means of mistake. 337J hurt by means of poisoning. These four sections from 337G to J is depend on the manner of infliction. And 337K hurt for extort confession. 337L today we discuss other hurts which are not mentioned here and before, up to from A to K, which is injuries which are not mentioned in subsection A to K, they are labeled as other hurts. Then 337L other hurt, 337M hurt not liable to qisas, 337N qisas for hurt shall not be enforced, 337O wali in case of hurt, 337P execution of qisas for hurt, 337Q arsh for single organs, 337R arsh for pair organ, 337S arsh for organs in quadruplicate, 337T arch for fingers, 337U arch for teeth, 337V arch for hair, 337W, merger of the Arsh. 337X, payment of the Arsh. 337Y, value of Daman. 337Z, disbursement of Arsh or Daman. Thank you very much.